Hi, dear students. Welcome to today's class. Today's class, video class with PPT for communication skills and life skills. An introduction to communication life skills. Today's part is this is for third semester students for life skills. Today I would. This is um, CH Narsaya, senior lecturer in English from SG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Here I would like to welcomes you. Today's session we are going to discuss about life skills. Here would like to pose a question. What are life skills? Why we need life skills? Life skills are not something new. They are inherent basic skills to effectively manage the challenges we face in our day to day life. They include positive attitude, goal setting, time management, problem solving, managing emotions. These leadership skills, teamwork, teamwork, confidence, assertiveness, decision making. These are the skills or comes under life skills. WHO, World Health Organization, categorized these are the life skills. What are the life skills? Positive attitude, goal setting, time management, problem solving, creativity, critical thinking, managing emotions, managing emotions, managing emotions, and um, we can managing emotions, leadership qualities, teamwork, confidence, assertiveness, decision making, and ability to stay safe and healthy. The WHO World Health Organization categorized these are the qualities to be stay healthy for person. He has to maintain a person has to maintain day to day life uh, to be healthy in his life. These are the main life skills to be required to a person. The World Health Organization defines the life skills as the ability abilities for adaptive and positive behavior. WHO categorized described the abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enables individuals to deal effectively. Abilities for adaptive and positive behavior. Adaptive and positive behavior enables each individuals to deal effectively, enabling individuals adapt to positive skills, which demands the challenges of everyday life. These are the above mentioned things are comes under these. World Health Organization carefully categorized such as these qualities: self-esteem, building, goal setting, positive attitude, managing emotions, stress management, time management, interpersonal skills, creativity, problem solving, decision making, assertiveness, leadership qualities, teamwork or team spirit, These are all comes under life skills. Life skills are the part of communication skills. We have two parts. One is communication skills, and half of the part, remaining half of the part in this um, semester, the one that is life skills. Who needs? I would like to ask one question. Who needs life skills? Day to day life, everyone is wants to manage. He has to adapt the positive behavior. Everyone wants to enable his individuals. Every individual has to deal his problems day to day life with the society, with individuals, with someone. So they have to meet the challenges. These are the qualities. These are the qualities required. Every individual. These are the called life skills. Life skills. The life skills program is comprehensive behavior. The life skills program is comprehensive behavior. Change approach that concentrate all attention to development of the skills. Life skills program is comprehensive behavior change approach that concentrates all attention to development of the skills needed for life, such as report, previous slide. These are all what I mentioned the previous slide. These are the things: problem solving, creativity, time management, adapting positive attitude, goal setting, managing emotions, leadership skills, teamwork, team spirit, confidence, assertiveness. These are all mentioned. These are the qualities required every individual to become his life happy. Every person requires life skills in his day-to-day life. Hence, students also required. These life skills will uh, comes under comprehensive at the age of adolescence. Here, our students, our friends, age the teenage, they are comes under adolescence. The polytechnic students, these students required life skills. They need to day-to-day life. They need to choose a positive attitude. They need day-to-day life. They have to adapt the situations, positive situations. They need a goal to settle in their life. They need uh, time management to reach their goals. They have to face their problems in confidently. They need creativity and critical thinking for their life. They need decision making skills. They need assertive skills. They need these are above qualities are very very important as for categorized by WHO. So need and impact of the now let us discuss about the need and impact of um, life skills one's life. To be precise, today's with a good knowledge of English, anyone can go abroad for employment and various purposes. In the world is a our world is a global village as we know after completion of LPG formula liberalization globalization and privilegization, privatization, this LPG, so liberalization, privatization, and globalization made it possible. These life skills. Everyone has to go for their employment, seeking their employment. They are going all over the world for anywhere they have to work. While their job while they are moving to other these skill life skills are very very important while working the job. To get a job, these skills are very very important. uh, Especially to get a job, HRs, human resource persons, they will check the person can able to manage his behavior, whether he is able to accept the positive behavior, whether whether the person has a goal, a goal whether his goal is smart futures, having smart futures. Smart means specific, SMART, smart, specific, measurable. His goal should be measurable, attainable, reliable, and time bound. This goal should be whether he is a goal, whether he is able to maintain the emotions, and whether he is able to uh, whether he possessed leadership qualities or not, whether he is confident or not. They will assess these are all the qualities. So on the language, these are very very important nowadays. The language of engineers, everyone should be able to speak in English. Everyone requires to speak English. Meanwhile, along with the e requires life skills also, not only for language, but also the every adolescent, every uh, future employee requires these are all qualities above mentioned life skills. The language is very very important, and today's English has a more or less occupied primary status uh, in all over the world. It's termed as the though it has termed as the second language. Along with English, everyone knows a little bit or someone good at English, but along with his communication skills, he requires life skills also. Not only English speaking skills, he is able to manage emotions. He is able to cope with his problems. He is able to choose his a proper goal. That's very very important. Uh, so, uh, as a result, India has become the hub of the world out outsourcing center for the information technology for many developed and developing countries. India is a center for the youth. India has more than 40 or 41 crores. Youth has a great manpower. It has so every country of the world looking for their manpower for towards India. Whenever they need some manpower, they used to they can the look at India. Indian scientists, Indian engineer can cope there. They can manage. They can work on site, off site, for the for such a companies, global companies, to for developing undeveloped countries. Today, engineering has advanced manifold in India. India producing lakhs of engineers year by year. Hence, every engineer is, though along with their engineers coming out from the colleges, and they required these R qualities. Our government is tries to induce, tries to inculcate these life skills among uh, young engineers. Future, the budding engineers require these all qualities. The overwhelming the overwhelming majority of companies said the graduates lacked key key employability skills. Many great companies, they are telling that yeah, the graduates are lacked these key employability skills, like such as teamwork skills. They are people those who are recruited in the for the jobs that are unable to cope with the team. Their communication skills and ability to cope with the pressure. Many employees, many employees after getting Many youth after getting job they are unable to manage and they're feeling always stress. Here we have some instances they are committing suicides. They are due to unable to manage their jobs. Work pressure. Yeah, wherever we say pressure, I'm busy, I don't have time. These are the words we used to hear from the everywhere. I don't have time. I am busy. Why these people are speaking? Those who are saying these words, they unable to cope, manage the life skills. Here, the team has to that such a kind of employees they required inculcating the life skills. They have to balance the emotions. They need a perfect goal. They need a smart goal. They need they need to know how to work in a team. They need to develop their confidence level. They need to work, they need to feel their companies their own such units. There are many employees lagging behind the leadership qualities. They are unable to manage a problem if any problem arises in the job. The many people are they don't know the importance of time. These are these are the causes uh, for lagging the skills. These skills we are going to impart the students. We are going to develop among the students. Life skills are something of a buzz word, not only in education, and echo everywhere. This is everywhere, not only for the students, not only for the education. Every layman requires these qualities. Especially educated people, they request them much. They don't know the how to cope with the society everywhere, but it also focuses on discussion across the range of industries around the world. So I would like to mention students, you should know, you should require the life skills, how to develop these skills, the how to inculcate these skills, these values in your the way of life skills are learned as is as important as what is learned. Developing new skills is initially difficult. To develop some such sort of skills initially difficult. Of course, we can acquire it gradually, and requires a great deal of perseverance of support and perseverance and concentration and support. But in the early at the early stage, we should not possible to develop in such a this is short span of time, and it requires with training and a great presence of mind, and it requires support and a trainer, a efficient trainer, a efficient lecturer may be develop these skills to developing a positive shade among in their lives. The demand of the demand of life skills is increasing day to day. That's purpose. The industry wherever they go, industry is demanding for our good employees. We need employees. With needing have our employees request having employability skills, having communication skills, with the having their soft skills, having their life skills. These skills are we need. We need employees. So the budding engineers, those who are coming from the colleges, that they are unable to meet. They are why? Because what was the gap? The gap between the industry and the institution. No proper training for the students. It requires a conscious effort to develop life skills among the students. To development is very important. It requires a good trainer, a good trainer, a good communicator. Those who having the positive attitude, having positive attitude to inculcate, giving the trainer can develop this only. It is not so easy, it's not so difficult, but it requires conscious effort with having a positive show, balance in his life. To cope with increasing pace and trend, student needs new life skills such as ability to deal with the frustration. Everyone, wherever we see the persons they're having, I'm frustration. Everyone feel I'm no time. I'm restless. I am feeling frustration and stress. Stress management is very important. Everyone feels stress, lack of time, the work pressure. These are all the things cause of the stress pressure. But these are how the pressure comes. If a person able to manage his time, if a person has a time management, if a person has a goal, a proper goal, if a person having positive attitude, if he is balanced about emotions, certainly that person cannot be feel stress. He doesn't have frustration. So those who acquires, students, if you acquire these skills, your frustration will get relief and you will feel, take it as a fun, not be fun, but you feel acquire it's a friendly way you acquire it. Okay, frustration and stress has to be reduced day to day life. To reduce the stress, we have so many things, psychologists and mainly knowing the facts about the job and timings and taking rest and taking proper diet. These are the cause we can learn. Present day education develops the knowledge. Wherever we see the knowledge, but don't engineering is a knowledge, but you the curriculum is not concentrating to develop the skills, to develop these emotions. I think people are students, the people are not serious about to develop the skills. They take as funny, these why should I need these skills, is their importance. They don't know the importance of these skills. The corporate companies, after getting jobs, they used to be realize the importance of this life skills, day to day, very important. Life skills such as the ability to deal with the frustration. Present day education only developing knowledge, but does a little to develop skills. A little bit they are developing. There is no use of knowledge, growth, and multiples without proper skills. Having the multiples of they are developing knowledge multiple times, two times, three times, but without having life skills, what's the use? The people without having these unable to manage in frust and stress, the students, those who having good knowledge, they are getting the seats in the IITs. Lack of these problems, the pressure, the cause they are remaining, they are committing suicides. The cause is only the cause. They are unable to they cope their stress, emotions. They don't know the importance. What is life? What is good? What is bad? Only the frustration, the stress is caused me. So our curriculum is trying to impart these skills among the students. To they have to meet the problems with confidence. They have to cope their problems in their future life. It makes one a hero and in words zero in action. The knowledge, of course, knowledge maybe they are in heroes in knowledge, but in the action they are zeros. So the thing is we have to import these skills. Life skills are very important to make them heroes along with the knowledge. If they have knowledge and life skills, certainly they will be heroes in their lives. They'll get right employment. Uh, they feel happy. They will become good citizens of country. Life skills teach us how to assimilate the knowledge, how to get the knowledge. These life skills are very important. The students, if they know the how to assimilate the knowledge. It's a very important. So, to my friends, you might have following life skills for adolescents. I would like to tell I would like to tell the things for pause. Hello. Hmm. ఇది రావట్లేదు ఒకసారి. Friends, the life skills for adolescents. Uh, Welcome to continuation of this class. Adolescence is a very important age for the among the students' life. So it is very important. They need education. The life skills are very important for the these adolescent students. Why? Because our students' age comes under the um, a period age of 17 to 20, 16 to 20. This is very important in the life. These skills, how these are very important. We have to develop import these skills among the students. Very important. So I suggest you the student, my friends, you develop these skills, and the younger citizens, young people extend their relationship this age beyond with parents and with their peer group, family, and intensely influenced by their peer groups. Outside the world, in the general way, it is characterized by rapid psychological changes, psychological associations, psychological maturation. Adolescence is the very turning point one's life. A period is the period of increased potential, but also the greater vulnerability. So we have to develop these skills for the student among the students. How adolescents are affected. We have to make them how to manage their emotions, how to cope their emotions, and how to choose their goal, how to set a proper goal, and how to work for it, how to work with a team, how to work with these develop their confidence, how to solve their problems, how to develop their creativity, the how to manage emotions, how to develop their leadership skills. These are the very important for the things. Why there is a need for the lives of the education. The various stakeholders are insisting for these skills, highlighted an urgent need for the strategize and develop relevant tools addressing and care for the support of needs of the students infected in their affected. It helps to fill the gap, providing various dimensions of appropriate communication skills for peer educators, and psychological push factors will develop, such as inability of tackle the emotion pain, how to tackle their emotions, and how to tackle their conflicts, how to control their frustration, and how to control their anxiety, how to make their future will be fruitful, and to drive their emotions, and taking a risk taking behavior. Life skills training is very important for the empowering the students, empowering the youth. It is their responsibility to take the accept the challenges, initiation, and controlling, take control based on the assumption of the young people are able to uh, above the emotions. So adolescence is very important to develop their conflicts. The age is a conflict rising area, and they are developing vulnerability as well as a good future also. Both are the two sides are there has in this. So I would like to tell who needs the life skills, why there is need for life skills education. Life skills education helps to fill the gap, providing various dimensions of appropriate communication skills for the peer educators. Who needs life skills? Life skills are important in supportive learning, environment for children and adolescents of all ages. Targeted group is all children and adolescents. Our target group is for the life skills is adolescents. The age group is 17, 16 to 20, 18, 19. This is our target group. There we wanted to develop the among them these life skills. How they are imported, how they are imported. This method is used in teaching of these skills builds up upon the social learning theory. These are the four, and what we know how young people will learn these qualities. How young people will learn these qualities from observing others and behaving with the people. What consequences arise from the behavior? It involves the process of participatory. The learning use there are four basic components in this to how to impart practical activities. Practical activities on a way to impart the life skills for the students. Feedback. Feedback also very very important. After completion of a task, they we have to give a right feedback and reflections, and if how they did a work, how they if there any areas to be improved. Again, then we have to give feedback and reinforce the life skills. Feedback, good feedback is very very important. Right feedback to develop the communication skills and life skills. Consolidation and reinforcement is very very important point. Third point is consolidation and reinforcement. Fourth one is practical application to day-to-day life. Practical application to day-to-day life and their challenges very very important. The peer education approach is one kind of approach. The peer training approach involves one teacher and 3 to 4 student representatives from each college. We take 3 to 4 students from different colleges, and we train the students, and the students will go and they to the respective colleges, and again they train their friends, their influence. We observe them and we give right feedback, and how they are changing their modifying behavior. They learn these skills through active learning and participation. Active learning is participation is important to in their college, inter college level training workshops or programs we have to conduct. Of course, every college, I think they having one lecturer with a trained with life skills, how to impart these skills among their children, among the students, adolescent students. This is very very important. Different methods that can be used to be um, enhance life skills in the students. So different strategies are there. One is in the workshop. In the workshop we especially designed these things. One is classroom discussion. The classroom discussions, we have to conduct discussions for among the students and from different representatives. How we the based on these things, how we have to choose a goal, right goal, how we have to achieve, how we have to cope the emotions, how we have to acquire the past. These kind of discussions will help to develop uh, the skills, life skills. and brainstorming also coming each student, and they are adding some points and discussing together, and these brainstorming sessions are also very important for to develop life skills among the students. Demonstration. Demonstration also a guided practice is a very important. We have to demonstrate the peer groups in the colleges, those with the trained students will certainly they will be changed. They will be with having a positive attitude. If a student may give a lecture on how to develop positive attitude for his colleagues, there will be peer group training is very uh, impact on the students. Students follow the peer group rather than teacher and other friends, their parents. Role plays also very useful. And audio and visual activities, recording audios and visual activities showing them their attitude and how they are managing the arts, music, theater, dancing. The cultural activities also develop to develop team skills, team working skills, the projects itself. Small groups, dividing small groups and assigning some work, how they are working, the team skills, team working skills. Uh, Maybe we have to make them a team player. So these are very important. How they are working, how emotionally, how their goal. Each team player is go working for their goal, common goal or not. Educational games and simulations are also one part. Case studies, and storytelling also one kind. Some telling moral stories, debates, conducting debates, decision make, mapping, and problem trees. These are all useful for the students. Uh, what are its basic elements? Knowledge and understanding. Life skills purpose is knowledge plus understanding. Life skills education involves the wide range of diverse learning elements such as knowledge and understanding, and skills and attitude aptitudes also there, how their aptitude towards how they are working, whether they have the interested to work or not. With aptitude tests also useful for to enhance the life skills among the students, to impart them. Values and attitudes are very important part. These are the interactive sessions, relevant or irrelevant. These critical and collaborative, participative. These things are very useful. Thinking, thinking skills and social skills are also the part of life skills. Thinking skills and social skills, and these are they have to be developed. Core life skills. Coming to core life skills, I would like to tell the core life skills are self awareness. Self awareness is very important. Student may having self awareness, and one is critical thinking. The critical thinking is very important, and decision making, and communication skills, coping with stress, empathy, creative thinking, problem solving, interpretation skills, uh, coping with emotions, coping with stress. These are all the core skills, core life skills related to the life skills. Uh, Next, sources of life skills. The life skills are many. The source, self awareness and self esteem is important. Assertiveness, feeling it's mine, my college, it's my friend, my association, my organization, this assertiveness feeling. Coping with the stress and emotion, and interpersonal skills. The friends that the moving with others is interpersonal skills, and intrapersonal skills, and correct. Next, communication skills, critical thinking, creative, decision making. These are the sources. So, friends, I would like to uh, tell these life skills are very important, especially these skills students has to develop. um, everyone has to learn these life skills. Getting job, mere getting job is not enough nowadays. To controlling emotions, so getting having a good goal, right goal, and how to achieving and controlling emotions, then coping with all these called life skills. So coming chapters we will discuss elaborately, and coming videos and PPTs. This is the brief introduction about the life skills. Thank you one and all thank you uh, for watching my video, my PPT.